So what's up? Back with another video featuring the Vice 9 by Sensational.
What the fuck is going motherfucking on?
Turn the lights on. One bottle, four hands, two bodies, and three orgasms. Two for you, one for me. That's all I need.
She came twice, I came last.
Four hands, two bodies, three orgasms.
She came twice, I came last.
Numbers don't lie.
So I'm back showing the Balayage Hazelnut in the Vice 9. If you know, this is my unit, okay? I'm using a different glue. So this glue has an extreme hold, great for sweat, goes on clear. You only have to use a couple layers to get that extreme hold. Now, it is messy, but I'm going to show you how to use that. You do need to have a dedicated, application brush for this, or maybe the wood spatulas, things like that. Just make sure that you're not allowing the hairs to get on your eyelashes or in the hair, because honey, this glue is very, very extreme hold. So make sure that you do exactly as I'm doing in order for you not to have those hairs lingering from your brush. Okay, so that's how you do that. If you want to see more on that glue and the specifications, I have a video for that, and I'll link that in the description box as well. But you just dip very lightly, twist around because you want those hairs to go back onto the bottle, and do a light line. Do not double line. As you can see, I'm not doing a line in the same place until I get to the next part. So section by section, that's how you should apply the glue. And now I'm just applying the hair just like normal, just like I would any other install. The difference is this time, honey, these little brushes, I forgot about those edge brushes. So I got me some, and I'm using them to help adhere my lace down. Now, this will have your hold on there. I love these brushes. I don't think I'm gonna ever go back to combing it all the way every time, or only combing it every time. Look how it's on there, and that's with just 2 layers. So like I said, this glue is an extreme hold, but you can also go swimming, you can sweat and all that with this glue, and it still be on there. Now this unit, like I said, is the Vice 9. I got it in Balayage Hazelnut, and I've had this unit before, but I'm gonna let you know, Vice units, small head friendly. If you have anything over maybe a 23, then you're gonna have a problem installing it. So you want to make sure, hey, before you purchase any of the Vice line, that small head friendly. But these units are so human hair dupe, okay? This is the 3rd one I've gotten, just because I love the natural look of the hair. It doesn't come with a lot of area to pluck, but I still pluck anyways because it comes with enough. Also, look at that lace, it's just amazing. But also, I suggest doing this when you pluck, because you don't want it to look really nappy. Pluck in sections and separate it from the hair, so that you're not having to comb and brush all of the hair all the time. You're only wanting to comb and brush the section that you had to pluck. Try not to manipulate the hair as much until you're done. All it takes is conditioner and water in a spray bottle, and the Vice unit will come to life for you like natural hair. So you see me just making a natural hairline, making sure that my hairline isn't stuck even though I have glue on my hairline. That's what them brushes are awesome for as well. And so you see, look at that popping hairline. Go through with your hot comb just to secure that joint on there and make it look like it's coming out your scalp. Because honey, the lace, oh yeah, Sensational came to slay. For real, like they're not playing. So just letting you know, this unit was $39.99 from Amazon. You can also get her on EBONYLINE too. I've bought her on both places. If I can't get it fast enough through EBONYLINE, then I go to Amazon. That's the only thing. So yeah, then my two though. And see, you're just gonna cut that lace on off. Make sure to make it look as natural as possible. The sharper the scissors, the better. And now I'm just trying to, you know, like remove that line of demarcation a little bit. Make it look real natural on those edges. I blow dry on cool most of the time. I do hot on my ear tabs, but cool most of the time, and then I'll switch to hot, and then I'll switch back to cool, and then I'll switch to hot. You'll know when to switch to cool. And as you can see, it is coming out a real natural hairline. This is why I love this unit as well. This hairline is so easy to obtain. Put that makeup on there, just in certain places. And that's how it looks on that side. And so this video was more focusing on the glue, so I didn't do like a whole like install show, but I will link another video showing how I install. I do the same thing every single time, especially with these Vice units, okay? So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. As you can see, I am feeling myself with that hair. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Have a good one.
Can't last.
Hands to bodies, reorgasms.
Came twice, I came last.